think Andrew, I think, is checking the fuel level.
When we're just taxiing like this, what we're doing is we check the brakes, so just stop like that, and we're also checking the instruments here. Now if you look at the instruments, when we turn, the turn coordinator turns, roll rate, and also the directional gyro.
Uniform November Echo, g'day.
What we call the DG.
Uniform November Echo, g'day.
That's what we're checking when we're travelling on to see if they're working.
Off X-ray.
And also you can see the
Off X-ray.
attitude indicator. And it's a beautiful day. Very low wind, not a cloud in the sky hardly.
Right, take off. You don't have to wait for directions from the tower, Andrew?
Yeah, we've got to do a run-up yet. So we've got a few minutes. Very light wind. Okay, what we do now is we do our run-up checks, which are just going to go through the jam. Fuel selected to the right tank, we check that from there. Engine instrument there at the right, green arc. Total would take her up to 1700 RPM. Carby heat. Carby heat works. Magneto. Sounds pretty good to me. Meters doesn't work. Set for takeoff. Friction is firm, mixture is full rich, timer in and locks. Selector on both. Up, no flapped. Flight instruments, what do we got? Gyro is pretty close. And everything else is good. Magneto both. We have magneto both. Carb heat to cold, controls free and clear. Pretty good to me. Okay, let's go. Yep.
G'day, taking November, crossroad left expedite. G'day, taking November.
Tower, Cessna X-ray Zulu, ready runway left for a downwind departure.
X-ray Zulu, runway left, clear for takeoff.
X-ray Zulu, clear for takeoff. Okay, lights, camera, action. We just check files, see if there's anyone coming in to hit us.
X-ray, no need to, I'll just have your right hand side runway right for checking. X-ray, yeah, traffic side. X-ray. Just confirm you can follow the Cessna 178.
I make a traffic side about half mile ahead of me.
Confirm you're ahead of him or he's ahead of you.
The 170 sir is ahead of me.
Lima Echo, would you follow the Cessna 178?
Lima Echo.
Hotel Victor Sierra confirming runway left, that is the normal runway.
Hotel Victor Sierra.
Hotel Victor Sierra, make H-train approach runway left, number 1.
Hotel Victor Sierra, runway left.
Runway left.
That's flush back down ahead, is it?
Yep.
Yep. Flush back down. Almost dead ahead.
About 1 mile west of Tuarin. On descent from 2,600, received Juliet.
Charlie, afternoon, track runway 4, warning time, expect straight in approach.
Like off, Charlie.
There's Eastern Creek coming up over on the about 2 o'clock.
That's where Michael Doolan covered himself in glory. Old Eastern Creek.
But I've looked under the window, see if there's no one coming our way.
Can't see anyone, Andrew. There it is, back at Eastern Creek.
We just go back over there.
Montreux Shopping Centre, dead ahead. Aye, there they all are. Oh, that's beautiful, Andrew.
Charlie November Tango, clear to land.
Charlie number 1, right?
Okay, we'll head back.
Yep,
X-ray, so we're clear to land. A little bit of a crosswind from the left. Yeah, we're crabbing in a little bit.
just a little.
Approach speed 65 knots. Coming in a nice approach. What we do now is we stick one wing down, bit of right rudder. Right rudder. Speed. Bring it over the centre line a little bit.
Beautifully. Well done, sir. Well done. What a lovely landing.
Make it absolutely clear to land. Make it absolutely.
What a lovely landing. That was brilliant, Andre. Beautiful landing.
Yep, well done, medium ready. Pretty happy with that one?
Yep, I'd say so.
I open my eyes now?
You can open your eyes, you can even just give thanks.
Anything on the road? Nothing.
I've already done that.
That's fantastic.
Extra Hotel Tango, cross centre.
Thanks, X-ray, X-ray,
X-ray, good day.